Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to do some exercises based on the noun. This is the second chapter from your grammar book, and already I have sent you the explanation of noun. Isn't? We have already learned this one, and then again also I have sent the link. So just go through it. Just go through it, and now we are going to do this exercise. Okay. So now let's start. In this, you have to pick out the nouns in the following sentences. Okay, so they see the first one. There was a wooden bench in the garden. So what's a noun here? Wooden, bench, and the garden. Okay, and see the second one here. Trees give us fruits and shade. So what's a noun here? Trees, fruits, and shade also. Okay, third, the lotus is a lovely flower. Lotus and flower. The canteen was closed. Canteen. They are beautiful puppies. So here puppies. Okay. I have some money. Money. They are climbing up the mountain. Here mountain. The sun is a ball of fire. Sun, ball, fire. Okay. Now you can see the second question. Separate the common nouns and the proper nouns. Here you can see in the box some words are given. Godavari, student, city, January, apple, river, month, and the Ambuja. Isn't? Now you have to separate these nouns in the column of common noun and as a proper noun. Okay, so from this box you have to choose the nouns which belong to common nouns. You have to write here, and the nouns that belong to proper noun you have to write here. So regarding the proper noun, very important thing is that it is the name of a particular person, place, or the thing, and sometimes it may consist of more than one word also. Okay, and common noun are the names common to every member of a class or a kind. Common noun are the names common to every member of a class or a kind. For example, just take a here example of a student. Okay, a student. So, student is a common noun because any student can be there. Isn't? Girl can also be a student and boy can also be a student. So, here is student. It's a common noun. City can also be there. Means we are not talking about here any particular one. We are talking about the city. So, any city can be there. So, that is the common noun. You can see the example of river. Any river can be here, isn't? So I have written here in the common noun. Month, January, February, means we are not talking about a particular month. January is also a month, Feb is also a month, March is also a month, April is also a month. So month, when we are talking about the month, that is going to come under the common noun. Okay. On the other hand, Godavari, it's a name of a particular river, so it's going to come under the proper noun. January, it's a name of a month, so it will come under the proper noun. Ambuja, proper name, so I have written here. Apple, it's also a name of a particular. We are talking about that particular fruit, so this will come under the proper noun. Now, the same question is here also. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns here. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. And one more very important thing to identify the proper noun, that it begins with a capital letter. Okay. So Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. Now in this what you have to do? You have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. This you can do according to your convenience. Means if you want to do according to this question, it's also okay. If you want to mention it by underlining it or by doing the circle over there, okay, for example by doing the circle, if you want to write there, that's a proper noun, so you can write the P for proper noun and C for the common noun. So while reading, then it will become more clear. You are not going to get confused. If you are going to mention like this, C stands for common noun and P will stands for the proper noun. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi, it's a proper noun because we are talking about a Mahatma Gandhi, that particular person, isn't? Leader. So any leader can be there. Mahatma Gandhi was also leader. Some other leaders can also be there. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose can also be there. He is also leader. He was also a leader. So here leader, that is the common noun and this is your proper noun. My brother Thomas is a doctor. Thomas, you can see here Thomas, this is a proper noun, as in, and doctor and brother, this is your common noun. Little Tom Tucker sings for his supper. Little Tom Tucker. Now this is your proper noun, you can see here this all are beginning with a capital letter, as in, because particularly we are talking about this one, supper. This is your common noun. Taj Mahal is famous monument. Taj Mahal, it's a proper noun. I have put a circle here. I am doing according to the question. I am underlining the common noun and doing the circle on a proper noun. Okay. If you want, you can mention like this also. I love to eat chocolates. So chocolate, what is a chocolate? Chocolate is here the common noun because any chocolate can be there, isn't? Now see here, my school is on a Binny road. School, this is your, I have underlined here. This is your common noun, and Binny road, it's a proper noun. I saw Juhi yesterday. Juhi, it's a proper noun, and yesterday it's a common noun. Innova, it's a big car. Innova is the name of, means here we're just talking about that particular name, Innova. So this is your proper noun, and a car, this is your common noun.